Hey guys, so I'm making this video for you to show you how to get started planning your cereal box design challenge project. Okay, so we're going to start with a regular piece of paper to start planning our project. You're going to have it vertical like this, meaning like the tall way, not horizontal. It's going to be vertical because that would make sense since a rectangular prism or a cereal box is taller than it is wide. Okay, so we're going to start with our paper like this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to start up here. We're also going to make sure that we draw it nice and big on our paper. We're not going to draw it small, we're going to draw it nice and big. Okay, so I'm going to start up here, come down to about there. I'm not using a ruler. I know you guys don't all have rulers at home, so that's okay. If you do have a ruler and you want to use it, go right ahead. Come over here, a little bit more. Think about the size and the shape of a cereal box when you do this, okay? Come down. And I'm going to come over. Okay, and that's not perfectly straight, but that's okay. That's good enough. Okay. So then this is the important part. To make this rectangle look 3D, we have to add the back of it. We have to create the illusion of depth. Okay, so I'm going to draw 3 diagonal lines. Boom, boom, boom. And they're going to be completely parallel to one another. It's not going to be like this one's going out here, this one's going over there, this one's going over here. They're all going to be going the exact same direction. Okay, it's super important. And I'm using a pencil, and you should always draw light until you feel that it looks right. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to come out. Okay, remember that cereal boxes are not a cube. They're kind of skinny at the top, so I don't need to make it really wide. So I'm going to come out to about there. Then I'm going to come over. See, I'm going to use my pencil. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to come over. And so this line is going to be completely parallel to this line. Okay, it needs to be completely parallel and completely the same length. Okay, and it's the same thing down here. Completely parallel and the exact same length. And slide your pencil up and down to make sure that that lines up. Okay, and then all we do is we close the shape, and that's going to be parallel from this line. Okay, so we can see how this one is straight. Then this one, we're going to slide our pencil over, it's going to be straight just like that. So now I'm going to close the shape there. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same up here. We're going to close this shape. We're going to take our pencil, line it up here, slide it up like that. That's where our line's going to go. Start over here, draw nice and slowly. There you go. Okay, so now you can make it look like it's sitting on a table by either drawing a straight line or maybe a curved line. I'm gonna do mine slightly curved. All right, and then you might want to add a cereal bowl up in the foreground, okay? And we're gonna do that by drawing an ellipse. Now I want the cereal bowl to look like it's half off the page. So I'm not gonna have the whole bowl on it. If you want the whole bowl, that's okay, this is your design, but I'm gonna do mine like this. So I'm going to draw a half of an oval or an ellipse, and then I'm going to bring this down so it looks like a bowl, okay? And then you might want to add some value. You can add color to this. And you're going to think about what type of shape your cereal is going to be, what flavor it is. This is the fun part, right? You're going to put your text or your the name of your cereal right here, whatever type of font or lettering that you like. You might want to put some nutritional facts over here or some pictures over here. You might want to advertise a prize, maybe in the corner. I'm going to draw a line like this. See how that's parallel to both of these lines? It makes it look like that's the part where you open up the box. Okay, and then you can add whatever design you want to the rest of it. And that's it. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. This is going to be step one. And this is all you need when it's completely finished to make your commercial on Flipgrid. If you actually have a cardboard box and glue or tape and you want to actually do your design on an actual cereal box, that's totally okay. But this is all that's required because I know that we don't all have those materials at home, but I can't wait to see what you guys do. All right, good luck.